As a country, we face a generational transition. Vana vesa vari below 35, they are crying out for help. The country is in a mess. Arusuru, we know we are inheriting a mess. We know this country has been left with nothing.
Baba, icho. Chirikupata cheka baba icho. Icho. Chirikupata cheka icho. Icho. Chirikupata cheka icho.
Oh, in Mercedes.
Mercedes AMG.
If Zimbabwe was well managed, our people could have not celebrated this kind of thing. It's normal in other countries. Self-driving cars are everywhere in the world. Other countries are enjoying technology. We have seen these self-driving cars in South Africa, in Europe, elsewhere. We have seen these self-driving cars. But here in Zimbabwe, this vehicle, which is normal, is because in Zimbabwe, we have normalized the nonsense. In Zimbabwe, we have been terrorized mentally by the people in leadership, by the ZANU-PF people, to an extent that some normal things, we believe that they are abnormal. I have seen people celebrating useless things in the name of being this or that. If we are to have a better economy, a working economy, you see these things, plenty of these things. Yes, because the world is evolving each and every day. Technology is coming. Technology is replacing human beings. We now have a lot of things which can now be done by computers. That is the reason why I always say the people of Zimbabwe, especially the Africans we have to be careful. Why? It's because some of us are not even honest at work, which will make investors see computers being better and more profitable than human beings. Because remember, the motive of any investor is to make money, is to make a profit. So when you are a corrupt person, when you are a corrupt individual, what will happen next is that you'll be removed from that job, you'll be replaced by a machine. Robots will replace you, because we have seen robots being synced to act as human beings. You can even talk to them, you can even walk with them, they can even defend you, they can act as bodyguards. It's happening. Only in Zimbabwe, matunoona ma-CEO achimhanya so akachengetedza president. But in other countries, we are beginning to see robots being used to protect our VVIP people. Which means we must know that there is an end. And we must act as human beings. We must love ourselves, love our country, build our country, so that vasikana vedu nevakadzi vedu havanyengerwe zvinhu zvisina basa. Ike zvinezvi mukore unoyu unoona munhu achinyengerwa Bhasikoro chairo kana motorbike nanorinyengerwa. Kutonzi mukomana wanga nebhasikoro iwe zvinhu zviri normal. zviri kutorwa kuitwa abnormal just because we are so backward, tichiri ku-stone age. Let us just normalize the situation. Let us vote competent people into power so that you see the importance of all these things, technology iri kuuya, and so that you will prepare as a people. Even mamwe makosa atiri kutora, you know, ndaitarisa kuti nguva diki diki yatiri kuenda, degree in accounting risingachashanda. Pane pakungoda just a data capturer wekuti anongoona mafigures kuti okay, mari yapinda imari, mari yabuda imari, mari yabhadharwa kwakati imari, otoenda those figures computer, and zvese zvobva zvatogadzirwa necomputer, bank statements zvese zvotoitwa reconciliation by just a computer. So all those things we need to be prepared kuti pauri kuenda kunotora program yako, pauri kunoita degree rako, you have to know kuti uri kunoita degree rechii, such that you won't miss important issues, so that you take up a course which is going to help you in the next 5 to 10 years. Well, some of you will be rendered useless. Some of us, we no longer use accountants. We just use automated accountants and everything is well. It's because you take a look onto the cost yekuti uve an accountant and the cost yekuti ushandise an automated. So let us brace up for change, Team Zimbabwe.